Good day, everyone. Wherever you are watching this program, my name is Dr. Afiz Abolade, also known as Omaramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell whenever I upload to this channel. You will be the first person to watch my program. If you need more of my video, you are free to watch my previous video. We see a lot of video there that can help you for spiritual tips. In short, if your manhood is not working again, you cannot fuck again. This is what you will do. If your manhood is not working again, try these tips. What can cause this thing? Enough of sugar, it can cause this problem. Stop eating sugary things. Too much sugary things, it can cause this problem. Too much sugar and too much cool can cause this problem. If you have this problem or someone has it around you, try these tips. Go and look for 21 calorie, original 21 calorie, and 21 bitter cola, and 21 lime orange, and black soup with Toju. Yoruba call one thing Toju. You can get it where they sell other item. It's like salt, but it's not salt. Just tell them that you need Toju. Then look for native pot. Pack all these things inside native pot. 21 calorie, original one, original calorie, 21 calorie, and 21 bitter cola, 21 lime orange, 21 lime orange, and Toju with black soup. Pack all these things inside native pot, burn it together. Let it turn to charcoal, don't let it turn to ashes. Grind it very well. Use this powder to drink cold pap. Use it to drink cold pap. That is it. It's small but mighty. For more video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.